Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Oh, pussycat, so curious and sweet, with whiskers so soft and quick little feet. Wherever you wander, wherever you go, adventures await, that much we know. Pussycat, pussycat, what do you see? The birds in the garden and a buzzing bee. Pussycat, pussycat, what makes you purr? A warm sunny spot and a gentle fur. Oh, pussycat, so curious and sweet, with whiskers so soft and quick little feet. Wherever you wander, wherever you go, adventures await, that much we know. Let's go to the farm where the animals play. A cute baby joins us, it's a wonderful day. Look, there's a cow, it says moo, 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 and the baby giggles, I can moo like you. The sheep says bow with its wool so white. The baby touches softly, laughing in delight. The duck goes quack as it waddles near, and the baby claps, quack, quack, I hear. The horse says neigh as it trots with pride. The baby points and giggles, take me for a ride. The rooster shouts, cock-a-doodle-doo. The baby waves back, I hear you too. The goat munches hay with a soft ma-ma, and the baby smiles, you're the star of farm, ha-ha. The turkey struts, saying gobble gobble hay. The baby claps hands, what a funny display. The dog barks, woof woof, it runs by the barn, and the baby crawls happily across the grassy farm. The cat says meow as it curls in the hay. The baby pets gently, making friends today. The owl in the tree hoots, hoo hoo hoo, and the baby looks up, I see you too. The donkey says hee-haw with a long loud bray. The baby claps and cheers, what a funny sound you say. The rabbit hops by with a quiet little squeak, and the baby giggles, your ears are so unique. Goose honks loudly, honk honk, here I go. The baby waves excitedly, hello hello. The peacock spreads its feathers, a colorful display, and the baby smiles brightly, what a beautiful array. Let's go to the farm, it's a magical place, with animals and laughter and a baby's happy face. Every sound is special, each friend a delight. Let's visit the farm again, morning or night.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.